Okay, so next is small heading, types of air masses. Right on. Based on the source region and the thermodynamic and mechanical modification. Based on the source regions and the thermodynamic and mechanical modification, there are 16 types of air masses, subtypes of air masses. Romba easy da. Okay, the chart mattum pannittu we'll end the class for today. Temperate cyclone formation naalik paathukalam. Okay, air masses are predominantly divided into two. One is tropical, the other one is polar. Tropical is further divided into two, that is continental and maritime. Maritime na oceanic. Similarly, polar is divided into two, continental and maritime. So idu namak first therinja and based on source region irukatto. Okay, two important types, further divided into four important types. Now what is the possibility? Possibilities are there. The continental region of warm nature and cold nature. Yeah. So this is your warm air mass and cold air mass. Maritime also there is a possibility of warm air mass and cold air mass. Warm and cold are in relative terms. Okay, and lastly, the warm air mass, cold air mass are further subdivided into two based on their stable and unstable condition. So unstable warm continental tropical air mass, stable warm continental tropical air mass. This is first type, second type. So basis of classification, name of the land, what was that? Air masses, we will write down. Okay, so one is your tropical. Wait. I'm going to write down first the tropical polar air masses. First one, they start with maritime and continental. Then they divide in tropical polar. First, maritime air mass and continental air mass. First and second alter, but we'll write down. So maritime and continental Formosa. So with the representation of M and C. Maritime region எந்த ரெண்டு இடத்துல இருக்கலாம்? Polar regionலயோ maritime region இருக்கலாம். Tropical இடத்துலயோ maritime region இருக்கலாம். So we're going to divide this into tropical and polar. Yes. Okay. This is again further divided. Tropical air masses are further divided into warm warm and cold, stable and unstable. Stable, stable. Unstable, stable. நான் US ன்னு எழுதுறேன் ஆனா நீங்க unstable stable தான் எழுதணும். Okay, then name of the air masses, the 4 important air masses. This is what we're going to study. This is your maritime tropical. This is your polar, maritime, polar. And this is what? This is your continental tropical and continental polar. So these are the 4 important air masses we're going to look into: MT, MP, CT and CT.